Hi guys, another English grammar exercise where we have few questions with the choices. So pause the video, try it yourself and come back when you are done. So here we have the question number 1 which says a year blank 12 months. These are the choices. So you should know the difference between has and have. What's the difference between has and have? Has is a singular verb which comes with singular subject, and has have is a plural verb which comes with the plural subject. Also, he, she, it takes has, and you, we, they, I takes have. Alright? So, a year means 1 year, right? You are talking about one single year, so it is a singular subject, isn't it? Also, it is a universal truth. If you will see, a year will only take singular verb. And what is the singular verb which we have discussed? Has. Has is a singular verb, so has is the right answer. Next, blank the children mother ill. These are the choices. So, what do you think is the right answer for this? So, here you need to understand the difference between is or am. See what it is. So, you have to remember, guys, I takes am, is a singular verb, and singular verb he, she, it takes is, and are is a plural verb. You, we, they, plural subjects takes are. So, here we aren't talking about children's, we are talking about mother, and that's a single person, singular. So, you're gonna use singular verb here. So, singular verb is. So, guys, do this one and let me know in the comment section. Please do subscribe, guys.